A typical day in summer. It isn't very early. In fact, a quiet midday is settling in on the sleepy hamlet Noachor in the Nadia district. The COVID lockdown has forced almost everyone indoors. There is quiet. The hamlet is deserted. Padma Devi has just finished her household chores and she walks down to the canal nearby for a midday dip. A few boats bobbing up and down lie anchored, idle. It is sultry. As she's in waist-deep water, a sudden splash surprises her. She sees an animal in a flash. She thinks it's like a small dog that looks at her and dips into the water, swimming underwater onto the other side. She is startled. What is it? She can't figure out. She has a feeling she has seen it a few days earlier at about the same place. She is perturbed and speaks to Ganesh Chaudhary, a wildlife enthusiast and a rescuer, also from Noachor.
যখন আমি এই গঙ্গাধারে চান করতে আসি তখন কিছু জীবজন্তু আমি দেখতে পাই। আচ্ছা তারা কি করে এই গঙ্গা থেকে মাছ নিয়ে তারা উপরে গিয়ে খায়। আমি এরকম প্রাণী তো আগে কোনোদিন দেখিনি। আমাকে প্রাণীটা দেখে একটু নিচে চলে গেল, ওর মুখের মধ্যে মাছ ছিল।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ওটা কেমন দেখতে ছিল বুঝতে পারেননি?
হ্যাঁ, আমি কিরকম ছিল আমি বুঝতে পারিনি।
কিন্তু তাও কেমন দেখতে লাগলো? তাও
কুকুরের মতো দেখতে।
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
আর এখন লোকজন নেই, হয়তো লকডাউনের জন্যই কিন্তু জন্তুগুলো দেখা দিচ্ছে। আগে কোনোদিন দেখিনি, কিছুদিন আগে দেখেছি, আজকেও দেখতে পেলাম। তুমি নিচে গেলে হয়তো তুমি দেখতে পাবে।
It is a smooth-coated otter, he tells her, that is venturing to come into the nearby canals so much near human settlement in search of fish. The COVID pandemic has reduced the anthropogenic pressure on their habitat. The world has become calm and a safer place with little or no human interference on their habitat. Ganesh knows. He works with Nature, Environment and Wildlife Society, News, that is engaged in the meaningful conservation of the riverine landscape ecology. He has spotted the smooth-coated otters on a few occasions in the past, on the banks of the Ganges, far away from human settlement. But never have the cute animals ventured so close. Smooth-coated otters, the largest among Asia's otters, reddish-brown in color, are primarily found in the lowlands, swamp forests, large forested rivers, freshwater wetlands. They adapt to water but can also cover long distances on land in search of habitat and food. They are currently under major threat due to habitat degradation, water pollution, random use of fertilizers and pesticides, poaching, and uncontrolled human activity. They're classified as vulnerable and are on the IUCN Red List. They're less visible and largely avoid human settlements. They are nature's children as much as we are. They form a crucial cog in our ecosystem. But we ignored all this. We assailed nature to only further our interests. But now, nature, it seems, is healing itself and reclaiming its space. Even as COVID-19 has forced us to stay indoors and leave them alone, nature and all its children are returning to their happy, cheerful ways. they are back to their place in the sun. A concerted effort is required to safeguard and protect their habitat. The local communities should appreciate the roles the species play. They should be urged to join hands and stop the mindless destruction of the natural habitat. And the process must start now, or else we might lose some of our friends forever.